They say money loves speed. But in 2025, one man discovered something faster than speed: artificial intelligence. In a quiet room, while the world scrolled endlessly on their phones, he was building something extraordinary, a business worth over $1 million. No team, no office, just a laptop and AI. It all started with frustration. Tired of his 9-to-5 job and low income, he searched online for answers. How can I make money using AI? That single question changed everything. He spent nights learning ChatGPT, testing prompts, and exploring new tools. His friends laughed, but he saw opportunity where others saw chaos. One day, he realized he could automate entire businesses. ChatGPT wrote the marketing plans. Midjourney designed the ads. Runway AI created the videos. Within weeks, he launched his first online agency powered entirely by AI. His first client paid him $300, then $500, then $2,000. He wasn't working harder anymore, he was working smarter. As others complained, AI is taking jobs, he let AI work for him. Emails, designs, and campaigns, all automated. His business began to grow faster than he ever imagined. Every morning, new payments hit his account. Within months, his digital empire crossed $80,000 per month, all built by one man with one vision and artificial intelligence. Today, he doesn't chase clients. They find him because success isn't about luck, it's about learning what others ignore. He discovered that the real power of AI isn't to replace human.
So you see, neural networks learn kind of like how you learn. Whoa, that makes sense.
AI doesn't just save time, it creates opportunity. The next generation of millionaires won't come from big cities or famous universities. They'll come from living rooms, laptops, and creative minds who learn to use AI smarter than anyone else. The question isn't whether AI will change your life. It's whether you'll use it to your advantage. Because he did. And that's how one man made $1 million using just AI tools. This is just the beginning. Welcome to Hidden Hustles.